So right now I'm on the parking lot for the IBEW Local 1 Union Hall. Take a look. The testing is going on behind me, but the lines are much shorter than they were earlier in the day. For hours, the lines went down the street and around the block, and people had to wait hours to get in. So last week, the spike in omicron COVID cases caused there to be a surge in demand for COVID testing. But after people went home or were around relatives for the holidays, because of potential exposures, the demand for COVID testing is even higher.
3 hours.
You haven't moved much?
Haven't moved more than a quarter mile.
Tyler Mittendorf was exposed to someone with COVID over the holidays. Now he and hundreds of others sit in line at a testing site near Hampton and I-44. The line is long and moving slowly.
We've been in line for 4.5 hours. It's me and my 2 sons. No bathroom. My oldest son has COVID, so we're trying to get them PCR tested so they can go back to school if they're negative.
This testing site is operated by the state of Missouri. Pharmacies and local hospital systems are also doing large amounts of testing. BJC Healthcare says across its health system, it has done 17,758 tests since December 16th. SSM Health reports 1,200 tests a day at hospitals and urgent care centers, not counting primary care physicians. And Mercy Health reports 3,300 tests last week at one Kirkwood site alone, a 377% increase from the week before.
It's outrageous. They should have had toilets every so often.
There are also long lines at a state-run drive-through test site in Fairview Heights, Illinois.
Just to be sure, my son works in food prep, so he really needs to know that he's negative.
The city says it plans to expand the amount of testing in the city soon. Many in line can't travel, go back to school, or earn a living till they get a test done.
Yep, before I go back to work, I gotta have a test.
The long waits are making people frustrated and cranky.
Not good for me, but patience is virtue.
So the St. Louis Health Department will announce plans for expanding COVID testing once they finalize all the details. Now, the rush to get in and get tested as soon as possible has some wondering if maybe they've gone to a scam test site and given out their personal information. More on that coming up all new on News 4 at 6. Live in South St. Louis, Russell Kinsaul, News 4.